Welcome to the Database Management Interview Questions series from ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this video, we will explore some of the most frequently asked questions that appear in DBMS interviews along with the clear and simple explanations. Whether you are preparing for a job interview, campus placement, or brushing up your concepts, you are in the right place. Let us begin. A foreign key in SQL is a column in one table that links to the primary key of another table. It helps enforce referential integrity, ensuring that relationships between tables remain consistent by allowing valid data linking. A candidate key in SQL is a set of one or more columns that can be uniquely identify each row in table. A table can have multiple candidate keys, but only one can be chosen as the primary key. A composite key in SQL is a key that is made up of two or more columns used together to uniquely identify a row in a table. It is used when no single column can uniquely identify the row. An inner join returns only the rows where there is a match in both tables. In contrast, a left join returns all rows from the left table and only the matching rows from the right table, filling in null for non-matching rows. The distinct keyword in SQL is used to remove duplicate values from the result set. It is commonly used in select statements to return only unique values from a column or a combination of columns. A unique constraint in SQL ensures that all values in a column are distinct. While it prevents duplicate values, it allows null values, but only one null is allowed in a column with a unique constraint. An index in SQL is used to speed up data retrieval by optimizing queries. It is created on columns that are frequently searched or used in joins, making searches more efficient. However, it can slow down insert, update, and delete operations. The delete statement removes rows one at a time and logs each deletion, which makes it slower for large tables. In contrast, truncate removes all rows in a table without logging each deletion, making it faster but non-recoverable. A transaction log is a record of all transactions performed on a database. It is essential for maintaining the database asset properties, ensuring data integrity, and supporting recovery in case of failures. The drop statement removes a table entirely, including its structure and data from the database. In contrast, The delete statement removes data from a table but keeps the table structure intact, allowing you to reuse the table for future data insertion. Denormalization is a process of combining normalized tables to improve query performance by reducing the number of joins required. While this can speed up queries, it introduces data redundancy and it can lead to inconsistent data if not managed carefully. The union operator combines the results from multiple queries, removing duplicate rows from the final result set. In contrast, union all combines results without removing duplicates, making it faster but returning all rows, including repeated values. Data redundancy occurs when the same data is unnecessarily repeated in a database. This can lead to data inconsistencies and wasteful use of storage, especially when data is updated or deleted in one place but not the other. A primary key is a column or a combination of columns that uniquely identifies each row in a table. It must contain unique values and it cannot have null values, ensuring that each record in the table can be uniquely identified. Referential integrity ensures that relationships between tables remain consistent. It is enforced through foreign key constraints, which ensures that a value in one table must exist in another table, maintaining data accuracy and consistency across related tables. The update statement is used to modify existing records in a table, while the insert statement is used to add new records to a table. Both are essential for manipulating data in a database, but they serve different purposes. The group by clause in SQL groups rows that have the same values in specified columns. It is typically used with aggregate functions like count, sum, and AVG to summarize data based on a grouping criterion. Aggregate functions in SQL perform calculations on multiple rows and return a single value. Common examples include count to count rows, sum to sum values, AVG to calculate the average, min to find the minimum, and max to find the maximum. A stored function is similar to a stored procedure, but it returns a value. It consists of a set of SQL statements stored in the database and it can be called within the queries, making it a useful tool for encapsulating reusable logic. Data normalization is the process of organizing data to reduce redundancy and improve data integrity. It involves dividing large tables into smaller ones and linking them using relationships, ensuring that the database structure is efficient and consistent.